so far. It's the end of June and 4th of July is coming up really quickly. And my favorite part of summer is looking at all the flowers because they're really beautiful. I love looking at the ocean in the summer. It's really pretty, it's sparkly, and going to the beach is always fun, no matter what the weather. Even like today, it looks like it's going to rain, but it's still going to be really nice at the beach. Before I go to the beach, I stopped off here. I'm in front of a field. It's really pretty here. It's beautiful, it's very peaceful. The birds are singing, the rain is holding off. It's really nice here. I'm going to go look at the flowers, and it's just really beautiful here. I love this spot. Sun's coming out. I'm looking at the beautiful flowers. These are my favorite. They only come out once a year during the summer, and I love going to see them. They're really pretty. I found the prettiest bush. This is the best one. I've been looking at these kind of flowers all summer. This is the best bush. It's so pretty. I love it. The purples and the blues just look beautiful together, and it looks really nice. The sun's popping out. It's a really beautiful day. There's a lot of traffic going by, so you might not be able to hear me, but this is my favorite bush by far, and it's just really pretty here. Found some lilies over here. They're orange. These are my favorite flowers. They're really pretty, and I love that we found this spot because it's very tranquil, it's peaceful, and it's really nice. My posing. It's good, right? In this field, it looks like it's bamboo. It looks so cool. I just got done looking at all of the flowers. They were really pretty. Now I'm headed to the beach, and it's probably going to be very wavy because it's windy today, but it's still going to be pretty. Let's go! I'm here at the beach. It's a bit cold today and a little windy, but it's still really beautiful. Butterfly over there. It's so pretty. I made it to the beach. It's a bit windy, but it's still really nice here. I love it here. The birds are singing. Got to see the flowers today. We got to go to the beach. It's been a good day. And I love the smell of the salt water. It smells really good. Went to the beach. I almost got blown away, but I'm good. I'm in the car. We made it. The sand was flying everywhere, but it's okay. And now we're at a red light. I've had a very lovely day. The flowers, as you can see, there's some right here even. The flowers have been beautiful. Now I'm headed home. The other day I went to the mall and I bought a few things. I got some new dresses, so I'll show you that later. Those are really cute and I'm very excited about those. And it's been a lovely day. Since it's summer, there's always one song that is super popular every year. I think the song of the summer is Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter. I love that song, it's super catchy. I listen to it all the time, and that is the song of the summer. Also, California Girls was on the radio earlier, and that is just a good song every single summer. It's amazing. We love Katy Perry here. Big Katy Perry fan. And Sabrina Carpenter is also a great artist. She's been on tour with Taylor Swift for the past year, and she's a really great singer. Headed back now. Had a really fun day. It's been very relaxing, very peaceful. Probably go home, eat some food, watch the Kardashians. That's another show that I've been watching this summer. There's been a new season of the Kardashians on Hulu. It's actually been really good. The editing is very good. The scenes are quicker. We love Kim, we love Kylie. Kourtney is pregnant in the show. And then the next episode I'm gonna watch, she gives birth to Rocky. That'll be exciting. That's coming up, guys. People are very divided on the Kardashians, but I've always been a fan of them. And I'll watch any show that they put out, no matter what. With that TV and music spiel over, headed back home now, and I'm just gonna go relax. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video, had a nice outing, went around town, went over a speed bump right now, it's okay. And I hope everyone is having a great summer. I just got back home. I had a really nice day out, looking at the flowers and going to the beach are two of my favorite things to do. It's really relaxing and peaceful. Now that I am back home, I wanted to show you the dresses that I got the other day. I went to the mall, I went to Marshall's, and I got two things. I really wanted a new blue dress for the summertime. I think dresses are really easy to wear. You can throw them on and then you're immediately dressed up and you look fancy and you're ready for a night out. I got a really good deal at Marshall's. I got two dresses for $20. That's $10 each. The first one that I got is a beautiful blue dress, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute. It has this beautiful floral pattern and this cute little rose on it. This dress is really soft and it fits really well. I tried it on and I love it. It has these thin straps right here. This dress is really cute. I can't wait to wear it this summer, and I got the same exact dress in a different color. Here's the next one that I got. As you can see, it's the same style. It's just super cute, and I love the little rose on the top here. I love this dress, and I'm very excited to wear both of these this summer. One other item that I wanted to show you is something that I didn't purchase. I made a shirt. Every summer I love making crop tops. I used to do this all the time, and it's just something really fun to do. It's very creative, and I love making my own shirts. I got a plain basic white t-shirt, and then I just cut off the neckline, and then I cut the bottom off as well. I'll show you what it looks like. Here it is. I love it. It's really fun to cut up shirts and basically make your own design. I find that to be really enjoyable, and I just love crop tops, especially for the summer when it's warm out. You just want something light to wear. A crop top is perfect for that. That's all for my mini haul. Wanted to show you a few pieces that I recently acquired and added to my wardrobe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This concludes my summer video diary. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you next time.